GRGBanking is a world-leading banking solution provider, offering cutting-edge, innovative and convenient banking solutions to global customers. To us, ensuring our partners to be the innovative pioneer to lead the industry in the digital era is our vision. i64M, also known as Portable STM, is a convenient mobile office solution for banks. Consisting of a tablet, a KYC peripheral device, a portable card dispensing terminal, and a token dispensing terminal. The Portable STM gives more mobility to non-cash services of counters. Services like account opening, instant card issuing can be done by the lobby manager, which significantly optimize in-branch workflow with higher efficiency and less queuing customers. Time-consuming services like account opening can be done by following the process in less than 3 minutes. The card applying process starts by tapping Apply Card. Step 1. Authentication. Placing the ID card on contactless card reader. The KYC peripheral device will read information from the ID. The UI is interactive and helpful. Customers can understand each procedure easily. Step 2. Customer information filling. I fill in my personal information and verify my phone number through an SMS one-time password. Customer due diligence will be processed in back-end. Step 3. Choose service. I can select the type of services I prefer to activate, including online banking, mobile banking, ATM transaction limit, SMS notification, and so on. Step 4. Check and authorize. I tap Signature to e-sign my name. The e-signature will be uploaded to the system. No paper is needed during the whole process. After checking my information by bank lobby manager and myself, the Portable STM will request me to input my fingerprint and PIN as two-factor authentication. Step 5. Issue card. As I go through the whole process, the system will check my information and issue a bank card for me on spot. The whole process of opening an account is less than 3 minutes.